Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole here from My Pretty Charmed Life. In today's video, I have a haul video of the Disney babies. Then I'm also going to show you a couple things that I got from Shop Disney just because, well, it's Disney. First of all, I was so thrilled when I found out that Pandora was going to do a Disney Babies edition. So anytime we go to the parks, it's become a little ritual for Presley and I for Presley to buy one of the Disney babies in a blanket pouch. And so these remind me of those so much. But anyway, so I was really excited that Pandora was doing this. So let's just take a look at the babies that we picked out. And here's Minnie Mouse. She is so cute with her little eyelashes and then her little bow with the silver dot detail. It matches her dress perfectly. She's holding on to her dress, it looks like. It's the bottom of her shoes. I haven't really looked at these in detail, so we're doing this together for the first time. So cute. Here's Minnie Mouse. Presley also picked Minnie Mouse. So we have matching minis. And here is baby Mickey. He's really cute too. He's got some detail on his little shirt. They're all kind of posed the same way, or at least both of these are. Let's look at the back of Mickey. Oh, his little tail. I didn't even notice Minnie, so I'm gonna have to go back and see if she had a little tail. So cute. What are you guys thinking of this baby collection? I'm like dying to know. Let's see, did she have a tail? Minnie's tail is not exposed. And both Presley and I both picked Baby Stitch because we love Lilo and Stitch and we love Stitch, and he really is what started the crazy Disney baby collection that we're doing every time we go to the parks. Even though Lady was our first one, it wasn't until Stitch that we're like, yes, this is going to be something we do every single time. Sitting there so innocent. Little purple enamel in his ears. Then of course his little, I don't even know what we call that, but that added detail. I picked the Cheshire Cat. He's so cute with his big old grin and his little hands on his face. Somebody should tell him he shouldn't be doing that. Don't touch your face, Cheshire. It's funny little hair. And all the pink detailing on the back. I love this pink detail, and I hope so badly when the Disney Paris opens, I'm hoping I can get somebody to help me out and get the Paris Disney Parks exclusive Cheshire charm, because it's amazing and baby Cheshire needs older Cheshire. And as far as the Disney babies go, this is the last one that Presley picked out, and it's Patch from 101 Dalmatians. She has this stuffed baby as well, and she loves him so much. See his little collar on there. Really cute. Pandora did really good with these. I'm so excited about them actually. Then from the Shop Disney website, I did end up ordering the Pandora Rose mini headband dangle charm. I regretted not getting this charm when I was in the parks last time. You may have seen Emily's video at Fashion Storyteller where she shows this, and I was able to pick that up for her when I was there, and then I really regretted not getting one. It was kind of the last day and it was kind of a rush, and I just didn't look at it until I saw hers, and I was like, why did I not get this? So I was really excited to be able to go to Disneyland to get one on my next trip, especially because I'm an annual pass holder. I wanted the discount, but who knows at this rate when I'm going to be able to go. So I figured just go ahead and get it and forfeit the discount, but it's okay because I'm excited to start designing with this. Then I just picked up a couple other things from Shop Disney. I love this little Mickey waffle. Like, what? He's the cutest with a little star in his eyes. And then the other side, he's just like so happy. So I got one and Presley got one. We had to have little matching little waffle stuffies. And then I had to get the sequin purse right here. Probably not gonna be able to get a good view of it. It's the Arendelle sequin mini purse, but it's really small. It's from Loungefly. So this is from Loungefly, and it had really bad reviews. That's why I didn't get it when I was in the parks, because you can't even fit a cell phone in here. Like, it's really, really small. But I do think it is absolutely adorable. And so I rarely put my phones in my purse anyway. So I figure it'll be good just to kind of have, if I'm wearing jeans and have my phone in my pocket, then I could just carry this around and be fashionable. So that is my haul from Shop Disney. There you go. Here are the Disney babies that we picked out. What do you guys think of the Disney baby collection that Pandora just did? Are you buying them? Do you love them? Leave me a comment below. Let's have a discussion about these cuties. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.